It was 3 o'clock in the morning. I got a phone call, and pretty much 2 miles away, I could see the haze. I could see the fire, and it was just immediately devastating. When we got here, it was completely engulfed, and so we got to watch it burn. Hi, my name is Ashley Sheppard.
And this is the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival.
You know, a lot of what I learned, I had to learn on my own. I had to kick around and watch what was going on and kind of pick it up here and there. Nobody actually ever took me by the hand and said, this is what you do. When I was a kid growing up, we would go to pig pickings and we would pull it straight off the grill. And when I was growing up in my grandpa's restaurant, if I was gonna eat lunch, I would go back to the cooker and pull the meat straight off the cooker. Got a big following. We would go to Virginia Beach and people would just line up around the block. We'd go down to Atlanta to the Dogwood Festival and same thing, people would line up around the block. So finally, we knew we had something, and I thought, you know, if we could do this at home and sit up on the side of the road in Carthage and started selling barbecue, and we knew immediately we were gonna rebuild. The night we were out here rolling, the landowner came out and he said, if you want to rebuild, I'll rebuild. And I just knew, I knew there was no way we couldn't. This is all I've ever done. This is all I know. And I love the barbecue business. I love our customers. I love this community. And I didn't think there was any way we couldn't. So we've done a lot of work to get ready for the barbecue festival. We had to go buy a new cooking trailer because our last one was consumed in the fire, and luckily we found one. To me, Pinehurst is just has an old world charm that you can't find anywhere else. The history here is unmatched. Come on out to the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival and see us. There's gonna be live music, 5 Pitmasters. It's gonna be a great weekend. We really miss seeing y'all and can't wait to see you there.
The Pinehurst Barbecue Festival, September 3rd through the 5th. Get your tickets while they're hot.